What's up, online shoppers? It's summertime, we got a new pool, and I don't want to spend any more time manually cleaning the pool. So I have invested in a cordless robotic pool cleaner, and I could not be more excited. This is the Starrybot, so let's see what it looks like coming out of the box. I've heard so many good things about it. It's suitable for pools up to 900 square feet, great for above ground pools, but you can also use it for in-ground pools, and I can't wait to get this going so that I can stop doing all the manual scrubbing. It's got pretty good packing, I'll tell you. Thick foam protects it, and it's super sleek looking. My Starrybot robotic vacuum cleaner. I am very excited to meet you. It does come with manual. Now inside of here, any of the things that you need to go with it. And this here is the charging cord. Now, word to note, all charging cords are different. So even if it looks the same, it doesn't mean it's gonna work the same. The hook that will attach to your skimmer pole, put this on and pull your Starrybot out of the pool. Really nice. Put this little tab inside, which you use to squeeze like this to get it in and out. And then this is ready to attach to your skimmer pole. So here is the Starrybot, nice and close. One of the reasons I did the add to cart for this one was how absolutely easy it is to use. So this is your port for charging. The cord goes right in here. Then you just have to plug it into the wall. Power button, which is how you power on the unit. A word of advice, they say not to turn this on until you are going to immediately put it into the pool. If after 20 seconds it does not sense the pool water, it will shut this off so that it doesn't burn out the motor on the pool vacuum. These little brushes here are really important for helping to pick up the gunk off the bottom. And then this is the direct entry into the bottom of the unit. That's where all of the debris, the leaves, the grass, even the sand gets sucked up. And the fact that it has 4 wheels means it's going to do a really good job of moving it all the way around on the bottom of the pool. There's a clip here at the front and 2 little latches here that you open up to pull the top off. This part actually is not attached to this, and you'll be able to see the space where this fits. You can actually take the power unit inside to plug in to charge. Otherwise, if you've got a spot outside, you don't have to disconnect them. There are 2 little vents. This is for water flow. You get 150 minutes of run time. It's going to take you 2 hours to charge this up. So even if you need to use it twice in a day, you're not waiting a long time on this unit to charge it up. Undo the latches and you can pull it off from the top and from the back. And that's how easily this detaches. Remember how I said this actually stays connected? So you actually take this whole unit in to plug it in for charging. This here is your filter screen, keeping the water nice and clear, getting all that small, fine particulate, actual basket that collects all of the debris. All you have to do to clean this out is just turn it over and dump it, then give it a quick rinse. These are the little flaps that open up to allow all the debris from the bottom of the pool to come into the pool filter. I wanted something that not only myself, but that my kids could actually operate so that it wasn't dependent on me to get the pool clean. Now, a couple safety precautions to keep in mind. You should not be running this when you have people or pets in the pool. First of all, you don't want them stepping on it. Second of all, it's just a much better idea for emergency management to not have people or pets in the pool while you are cleaning. It's also a really good idea to power this off when it's not in use. You put it in the pool, it floats on the top. As it takes on water, it sinks down below the surface. If by some chance it happens to flip over when you get into the pool, you're going to want to use your hook here to turn it right side up so that it can roll along the bottom of your pool. As well, it's also a really good idea to not let kids ride on this. This is going to fit all pool shapes and surfaces. So whether you have a soft-sided pool you put together with tubes and fill with water, or if you have a permanent structure, it also has a really versatile design, which is going to allow it to adapt to whatever sort of pool sizes you have. Smart Edge technology automatically navigates to the edge of the pool when the battery is low or after it has completed its cleaning cycle, which is another reason why I bought this, because now I don't have to go into the pool to get it when it dies out in the middle when the battery is done. It sort of works on a navigation where it bumps into a corner, changes direction, bumps into a corner, changes direction until it has cleaned up all the debris off the bottom of the pool. Save the manual pool cleaning and make pool absolutely more enjoyable. So if you are looking for a cordless rechargeable pool robot, easy to operate, easy to clean, it gives you 150 minutes of runtime, above ground pools and in-ground pools of under 900 square feet, the Starrybot is totally a fantastic steal of a deal and definitely going to be a family favorite at our house.